What's up, you guys? Welcome back to this tutorial. This is an overview of TikTok for you guys. I have a lot of clients that get very confused once they start downloading TikTok and they don't really know how to find or use TikTok for their own benefit. So as you can see up top, you have a For You highlighted, and then you also have following. So if we, switch back between For You and following, of course you would have to follow accounts, and then you would get a similar feed here. If you don't have any followed accounts, just like this current account, you're not going to see this feed, but there will give you trending creators that you can check out and view to see how they're doing. All right. You can come over to For You, and you will see the profile icon. You'll see how many people have liked the post. You'll see how many people have commented, and you will see how many people have shared via text message this post. Then at the very bottom corner, you can kind of see the song that is being used. If you do want to see other posts with that same sound or with the same song, you would simply click on that music, and then it will show you the original as well as all the different TikToks that are being used with that sound. And you can click on that video icon if you'd like to create your own TikTok video with that sound. All right, let's go ahead and go back. So if you now swipe up, you're going to go on to the next post, and you can see that there are all the same, there are all the same icons that we went over with the previous ones, and you can continue swiping up. You can view the likes, the comments, you can click on the sound and create your own TikTok video with that sound. All right, so let's go on to search. So in the bottom menu, you have home, which is where we were just at. Okay, if you ever get lost, we have discover, which is where you can see trending sounds, trending hashtags, trending creators. And you can go ahead and at the top, you can search for a specific username or account. Then continuing on, you have your plus icon. That's if you want to create your own video. We'll go over how to create videos another time. This is just an overview of TikTok. And then you have your inbox. So your inbox is going to show you all the activity on your account. Okay, so you can see when people follow, when people comment. You can see if you have any direct messages by clicking this little message icon in the top right corner. And then finally, your profile is the last icon, so you can see all the different posts that your account has created. And that is the general overview. There are settings, so if you click the top right corner here, you will be able to see, settings of your account, and you can go through and change a lot of these things if you'd like to. That should give you a general overview. If you have specific questions when it comes to TikTok, please drop a comment below. Let us know in the comment section what you're struggling with. We're well versed in all the different social media platforms and softwares when it comes to content creation and business for businesses and for your own business if you're interested on blowing up on any of these platforms. All right. I hope this helped. Ooh, that's cool. Introducing the world's first flying car. All right, guys, have a good day. Take care.